The smartphone world never stops changing, and every year Samsung tries to stay ahead with something bold. But sometimes the biggest stories are not revealed at flashy launch events. Sometimes they slip out early through shocking leaks. Today we are looking at what many are calling the biggest Samsung leak ever. The Galaxy S26 Ultra has been exposed before its official reveal, and the details are unbelievable. This is not just a vague rumor or a small picture. It is a full breakdown of design, features, performance, and even the price. If these leaks are even close to real, then the S26 Ultra is going to change the way we look at smartphones. So sit back as we break down everything that has been revealed and why it matters. The leaked design shows Samsung taking a bold step forward. The S26 Ultra is said to have a slimmer frame with smooth titanium edges that feel premium but strong. The back panel has a matte finish that reduces fingerprints and gives it a clean look. The biggest surprise is on the front, where Samsung seems ready to remove the whole punch camera. Instead, they are using a new under-display system which hides the lens completely. This makes the screen look like one continuous surface without interruptions. Watching videos, browsing photos, or playing games will feel more immersive than ever. It is a design choice that many fans have been waiting for, and it might finally arrive with this device. The screen itself looks set to be one of the best ever. Leaks suggest the Galaxy S26 Ultra will feature a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display with up to 165 Hz refresh rate. That means the visuals will feel smoother than almost any phone available. The screen is also rumored to reach 3000 nits peak brightness, which makes it easy to use even under strong sunlight. Samsung is also bringing a smarter adaptive refresh mode that saves battery while keeping things smooth. For gamers and media lovers, this screen could be a dream. It will not only look good, but also respond instantly to touch, making the experience seamless. Performance is always a big question, and the leaks give us plenty to be excited about. The S26 Ultra is expected to launch with either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 6 or the Exynos 2600, depending on the region. Both chips are built on a 3nm process, which improves power and speed. Benchmarks show that these processors can handle advanced gaming, AI tasks, and multitasking with ease. The base model is rumored to start with 16 GB of RAM, and storage options could go all the way to 2 TB. This means you can store thousands of photos, videos, and apps without worry. Power and space will not be a problem here. The camera system is another huge part of this leak. Samsung is rumored to be using a new 200-megapixel main sensor that captures incredible detail. On top of that, there is a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a periscope telephoto camera that offers up to 10 times optical zoom. Digital zoom may reach an insane 200 times with better stability than before. AI is playing a role too. The phone may feature real-time AI image correction that fixes lighting, sharpness, and colors instantly. Imagine taking a picture and seeing it polished perfectly within seconds. That is the level of photography Samsung wants to deliver with this device. The battery is also a major upgrade. According to leaks, the S26 Ultra will carry a 6000 mAh battery, which is bigger than most competitors. Combined with efficiency from the new chips and display technology, this could mean 2 full days of use on a single charge. Charging is also faster, with leaks pointing to 80-watt wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. That means less waiting around when the battery runs low. Reverse wireless charging is also improved, so you can share power with earbuds, watches, or even another phone quickly. Software is another area of excitement. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will run One UI 8.0 based on Android 16. The main focus seems to be on artificial intelligence. Leaks show tools like real-time voice translation during calls, smart note-taking that turns audio into text, and built-in AI video editing. One interesting feature called Galaxy AI Vision will let the camera identify objects and give instant information. Imagine pointing your phone at food and getting nutrition details, or at a building and learning its history. These features could make daily tasks much easier and more fun. Durability is being pushed further as well. The S26 Ultra is expected to use a new Gorilla Glass material that is far more resistant to cracks and scratches. The phone is rumored to have IP69 water and dust resistance, which is even stronger than before. Add to that a titanium frame, which makes the phone both light and sturdy. For people who are rough on their devices, this phone could be one of the toughest on the market without sacrificing style. Security is also getting attention. The leaks mention a new dual biometric system, which combines facial recognition with fingerprint scanning for extra safety. This makes it much harder for anyone to unlock the device without permission. Samsung Knox is also being expanded to protect digital wallets, IDs, and other sensitive data. As more people store payment cards and identification on their phones, Samsung is working to make sure that users can trust their devices. Connectivity upgrades are another headline. The Galaxy S26 Ultra might be one of the first smartphones to support 6G in regions where it is available. Even if your area does not have it yet, the phone will deliver lightning-fast 5G and Wi-Fi 7 speeds. This means smoother streaming, quicker downloads, and better stability when connected to multiple devices. Bluetooth is also improved, making wireless audio more reliable and clear. The S Pen remains a highlight of the Ultra series, and the leaks suggest exciting changes. Latency is being reduced even more, which makes writing and drawing feel like pen on paper. New air gestures allow you to control the phone without touching it. You might flip slides in a presentation or scroll through apps with just a wave of the stylus. This transforms the S Pen from a simple accessory into a powerful tool for work and creativity. Now the big question is the price. According to the leaks, the Galaxy S26 Ultra will not come cheap. The base model might start at $1,500, while the top version could cross $2,000. This is a serious investment, but Samsung seems to believe the features justify it. Trade-in programs and carrier offers will likely make it easier for some buyers. But one thing is clear, Samsung is aiming at users who want the best of the best and are willing to pay for it. This leak is being called the biggest Samsung leak ever because of how complete it feels. Normally we only get small pieces, but here we see almost the full puzzle. From design to performance to software, everything is on the table. Of course, nothing is confirmed until Samsung makes it official. Some details may change, but even if half of these features are real, this will still be one of the most powerful smartphones ever made. For fans, this leak is exciting and builds massive hype. For competitors, it is a warning that Samsung is not slowing down. Companies like Apple, Google, and Xiaomi will need to respond if they want to stay competitive. The smartphone market is about to get even more intense. So what do you think about this leak? Will the Galaxy S26 Ultra really live up to the hype? Do the features like the under-display camera, AI tools, and super fast charging make you want to upgrade? Or do you think the high price will push people away? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into the biggest Samsung leak ever, remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more updates. The future of smartphones is arriving fast, and the Galaxy S26 Ultra could be the device that defines the next generation.